Chamrajpet Citizens Federation has condemned the confusing remarks by the BBMP with regard to the ownership of the controversial Eidgah Maidaan located in Chamrajpet locality. Hindu activists and local groups who are seeking permission to hold celebrations of Hindu festivals, national days in Eidgah Maidaan at Chamrajpet in Bengaluru have called for a meeting on Sunday, 3rd July in Jangama Mutt at 10:30 am over confusing remarks by the BBMP on the issue. Initially, the BBMP claimed that it owns the property and it is a playground. Later, the BBMP stated it doesn't have any documents of the property. Further, it asked the Waqf Board to submit property documents regarding Eidgah Maidaan. Recently, BBMP stated that it still has to get the proper documents regarding the ownership of the property. The meeting will be attended by Hindu activists, thinkers, and the local leaders. The Federation has also given a call to people to take part in the meeting. It has claimed that Eidgah Maidaan is the property of BBMP and all citizens should come forward to preserve it. The Federation members are distributing handbills in this regard and carrying out door-to-door campaigns in the locality. BBMP Chief Commissioner Tushar Girinath and BBMP senior officers are also invited for the meeting. The Hindu activists are demanding the ruling BJP government must intervene in the matter. The Federation slammed local Chamrajpet MLA Zamir Ahmed Khan, asking whether he is MLA only for people following one particular religion. As reported by Daniel George for Salar.
Records, Supreme Court order ಮತ್ತು ನಡುವೆ ಆಗಿರುವ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ